Hey everyone, so today I'm giving this Beadfix a bit of a go just to see what it's like. So I've just put a bit of tape here, a bit there, and a bit at the top. To be fair, it's pretty solid. Can't complain at that. Right, I'm going to chuck some skim on it now. Right, so it stayed really well. It's really solid. I'm really happy with how it's looking now. So if you can just see down the bead now, this is just the first coat. It's staying there solid, and you can't see any of the tape showing through either, which is really good. So what are the pros and cons? For me, the pros are that it is quick and easy to do, and it doesn't damage the bead when you use them. But it is good. I think it's going to be good for when you need to put a bead on and there's no fixings there. One of the drawbacks I find though is that you've got to make sure that the backing that you're going to be putting the bead on is perfectly level, because you're not going to have any wriggle room for building out with the plastering tape. It's pretty much going with what's there. So my honest opinion about the Beadfix tape is that I'm not sure how much I would use it. I think I'm used to bedding beads on or sticking them on with screws, and at $12.99 it's probably a fair price for something that I'm only going to use now and again. I think it's something to have on the van, I really do, but I don't think it's going to be something that you should be using all the time. I just think it's going to be a bit too costly, if I'm being honest with you. So I don't want to sound negative on the product, because it did work. It's just I don't know how it would work well for me at the moment. Right guys, thank you very much for watching. I drop these videos every Tuesday, so if you do like them, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers guys.